a buff baby, but I dance like a man. She a nice lady and she shaking the yams. Spent the whole summer trapping.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sincerely.Cia. My real name is Tricia, and today I'm gonna be reviewing some kinky curly clip-in hair that I just ordered off of Aliexpress. So let me give you guys a little bit of the information about the hair before I show you. By the way, if y'all hear noise in the background, that's just my family. It's Christmas and you know, everybody's riled up, everybody's, you know, happy to be opening gifts. I didn't get anything, but it's okay because I got myself. But nah, yeah, so let's get into this hair. So the name of the hair on Aliexpress is called Jkhair Mongolian Afro Kinky Curly Weave Remy Hair Clip-In. All right, they look like my regular hair. They're curly. Actually, this is not how my hair looks, but my hair is kind of like coily, kinky, whatever you want to call it. I have like 4C hair, but I feel like, yeah, let's just stick to that. I have 4C hair. I wanted to make my hair look full with the clip-ins, and you know, your girl needs to have some full hair because this is not cutting it. My hair is thick, but it's not full. Okay, there's a difference. Since the hair is human hair, I'm assuming that I can blow it out with the blow dryer. I wouldn't recommend flat ironing it because it is kinky and I don't want it to lose the texture. Honestly, I wouldn't even do that. I haven't even washed the hair. I haven't put the hair in my head at all. My next video, I'm gonna put the hair in and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on my head. So let's go open the box and I'm gonna show you guys the hair. So this is the box that it comes in. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Yeah, so this is the box that it comes in, you know, hair box, whatever. I'm just gonna open it up while I stand up because who got time to be sitting down, standing up, sitting down, standing up? So I ordered 2. So okay, if you order 1 pack like this, it'll come with 8 pieces of clip-in hair. So I just assumed that I needed more, so you know, I just bought. My head is small, but I bought 2 just in case. So yeah, so 1 pack includes 8 pieces of clip-ins, and we have some extra clips. They also gave like a clip, a hair clip, if this focus, yeah, so a hair clip that says kiss. That's cute, or whatever. Let me see what else they put in this box. That's it. This is the company. So yeah, let's open it up. Okay, so now that I clipped the gold string off of this, I'm just gonna show you guys like piece by piece how the hair looks, like each clip-in. So I'm assuming this is the smallest clip-in, which probably goes at the top or the bottom, I don't know, whatever, I'll figure it out. So this is how it looks, and this is exactly how my hair looks when I do a twist out. Exactly like this, little frizzy, and you can see like some of the curls slash coils. This is another small piece. I don't even know if these pieces are even gonna be longer. This one looks longer. This is a small piece. And this is another small piece. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and in my next video I'm going to show you guys how this hair looks in my head, period. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment. Why am I talking so low? All right, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because you know, like I said, I'm going to be making more videos. I know y'all don't like to watch my videos, but it's okay, because at the end of the day, I like making videos. Bye guys.
I'm a buff baby, but I dance like a man. She a nice lady and she shaking her yams. Spent the whole summer trapping.